Wozandla, wozani. Senikhohliwe yini ukuthi we didn't finish the review of the finale episode? Did you forget? We need another live because we did not finish. Hey guys, over and above all of the insults that Musa Mseleku threw at Umakhumalo, he called her unqavu. Imagine guys, ngathi ngiyabona. Guys, ngathi ngiyabona my husband ethi lo unqavu. Uyabona ngalelo langa. Niyabona ngalelo langa. Ngiyoba in the gossip news. Yime ngiyoba yigossip. Mhlazane ubabkwala engibiza ngonqavu. Yize ngila on YouTube nqavu. Imagine guys, your husband calling you unqavu. I don't even know, is there an English word for unqavu? Meaning that when they are together, Makhumalo will be gossiping about the other people. Like she talks too much. Meaning that even though Makhumalo is so quiet when she's with the others, but when Makhumalo is with Musa Mseleku, she is talking too much. But she pretends that she doesn't talk much when she's with her husband. Vele, I suspect that he is right. I suspect Vele ukuthi Makhumalo it does say things to Musa Mseleku to prepare him for these meetings. I suspect. But to call her unqavu, we need another life. So he calls her unqavu. But guys, Lesthembu lesi has all elements of Isthembu. You know, when we were growing up, our parents used to say, Isthembu, they used to say, what's Esthenjini ukhuluma uze woma mathe. I remember those are the comments that our parents used to say, kuyakhulunywa Esthenjini. You are always talking Esthenjini. There is no rest Esthenjini. Kuyakhulunywa, you are always talking Esthenjini. Esthenjini kuyathakathwa. You know, there's always that witch. Even if you don't want to be a witch, you become a witch, Esthenjini. You know, they always betray you, Esthenjini. This is Tembo. It has all of that. Because tell me why uMaNgwabe at the table is betraying her bestie. You didn't see it. Let me explain to you. Was it last season when Umakhumalo explained to us what one time when they were still friends with uMaNgwabe, she said that they had a falling out in their friendship, her and Makhumalo and Makhumalo had a falling out in their friendship. She said that what had happened was Makhumalo and Musa Mseleku were having like an argument in front of her. Okay, and uMaNgwabe being the rude Makhumalo that she is, okay, because Makhumalo thinks Usne is rude, but now she's rude, okay. That's the reason they don't like each other, because they are alike, okay. So she was being rude to Mseleku, and uMakhumalo was like, "Hayi ntombazane, don't speak to a man like that," okay. And uMaNgwabe was like, "Lalela ke ntombazane. Okay, just because we are dating the same man, it does not mean that when I'm talking to my man, I'm talking to your man. Okay, when I'm talking to my man, I'm talking to my man. It has nothing to do with you. So when I'm having an issue with my man, it has nothing to do with you. So shut up." Okay, so wamphoxa kanjalo uMakhumalo. Uthi uMakhumalo, that's when she learned ukuthi when Makhumalo is having an issue with her man, she needs to zip it. Okay, that's when she learned what, okay, Esthenjini, when a woman is having an argument with her man, you must shush, okay, even if you want to, intervene, okay, and make, them understand each other. Even if you are getting the point, but the woman is not getting the point, you need to shush, okay, you need to let them resolve their own issues, okay. But when Makhumalo was having an argument there at the table with Musa Mseleku and Makhumalo was sitting there, did she shush? No. Yes, uMakhumalo was struggling there to articulate herself. She was busy there saying, "Are you rubbishing me? Why are you rubbishing me? I'm not rubbishing you. Why are you rubbishing me? Are you rubbishing me? Have you ever rubbished you? No, I'm not rubbishing you. Have I ever rubbished you?" But Musamsele was also not answering the question because Makhumalo was saying, "Have I ever rubbished you?" Which also is like, what is to rubbish? Okay, but she was struggling to articulate herself. Guys, listen. We did talk about that on the live, that Makhumalo is not really somebody that struggles to articulate herself. It's just one of the symptoms of somebody that has been groomed, okay? You are going to struggle to articulate yourself to your groomer, alleged groomer, okay? You are, okay? You can articulate yourself to everybody else except your alleged groomer, okay? That's the reason she's not able to articulate herself to her husband. Because trust me, Makhumalo can speak to the millions of people, but she can't speak to her husband. She can't articulate herself to her husband. So she was busy saying this thing about, have I ever rubbished you? Okay, have I ever rubbished you? And her husband was like, I don't rubbish you. Have I ever rubbished you? And her husband was like, I don't rubbish you. Okay. So Mangwabe was like, Tobile, he is saying he is not rubbishing you. And I was like, what? Not you. Not you, the one that does not want people to intervene when you are having a fight with your husband. Why are you intervening when Tobile is fighting with her husband? Because you don't want the people to intervene when you are fighting with Mseleko. Yeah? Because we heard that you did not want Tobile to intervene when you were fighting with Mseleko. But when are you intervening? Eh? And she was looking so proud of herself. And that is the same thing that she did. Remember that video that I did when they were sitting at the table and Mayeni was busy playing her Candy Crush. And she was trying to take the phone out of Mayeni because she was trying to make Mayeni listen to Musa Mseleko. She was trying to get Mayeni to listen to Musa Mseleko. Remember? So she likes to do to other people that what she doesn't like to be done to herself. And I was like, we still remember. So a lot is still undiscussed that happened at that table. And I was thinking, we do need a live, because I was rewatching that scene. I was like, listen, there's a lot of things that we haven't talked about that happened at that table. Okay, that's a lot, okay? And also, you guys, I noticed that it really bothered Makhumalo that she was being likened to Mayeni. And I was like, yeah, I can understand. I can understand, okay? You are likening me to my enemy. And also, you guys, why was Mangwabe so proud of the fact that she wasn't the one that was fighting with Musa Mseleko at the table? Was I the only one that felt like she was really feeling good about the fact that she wasn't the one that was fighting with Musa Mseleko? It was almost like she was like, at least I'm not the one that is fighting with him today. At least I'm not the one that is fighting with him today. Anyway, you guys, I do feel like there is a lot still to discuss. Yes, the show has ended, okay? But I still feel like there's a lot to discuss. So I still do feel like there's a live here and there that we still need to do as far as this show is concerned. Because some of the scenes I'm watching and I'm like, listen, we did not talk about this. And I'm watching and I'm like, we did not talk about that. Okay, so don't be surprised if you get a notification and I'm requesting you to come and we are having a family meeting. Okay, do attend a family meeting because you do not want to miss out. Okay, in the meantime, like the video and share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Nginethanda kakhulu.